Abuja, wherever you're watching us from, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Chef, Engineer Jeffrey, the Chief Operating Officer of Oracle. So today we'll be going through practicals on how to deploy an IP camera. Okay, there are two phases of the installation. You know, the active device setup, and then the manual level of running the cables and all that. So making sure we are NVR, the cameras, and all that. So first things first, there are things you need to have before deploying an IP camera. Laptop, the SSD, that's where you put in and then the devices. Okay, so that was most of the time. We'll start the unboxing. So I'll be my humble student, Mr. John. So watch out with them and also aim, because what about Oracle, we're not just teaching you, so I'm teaching you, we're also taking you to site to start aiming. So these are NVR. Let's start unboxing. So we'll open the NVR. So depending on the capacity of camera hard drive, we have a hard drive. So this a deep vision, a field vision. So this is an IP camera vision with a twin angle, and this is just fixed. Set up the lens. See, you can see all this connection, and there's nothing like electrical. I'm not seeing no sense. Power.
Orange, white, orange, brown, white, brown. The networking, the for 5. We also do analog system. We have like 50 cables now. We start.